action world and speak with energy. For example, he worked tirelessly every day and he finally achieved his dream.
Then you have neutral, that means it could be a normal style of writing, etc. Do you understand?
Enjoy your evening and let's begin STUDCON26!
This is the hook, struggle, triumph, and moral, okay? So just so you guys, you're in the same page with us and you guys learn more.
We have a vowel and you're a vowel, so what is city, not city.
So I think they should come up with something new, original. They should look if nobody has ever done it, because if they do so, like, they will get tons of views and that's just their goal.
So how does curiosity actually turn into creative ideas? And that's what Ayman will explain.
But we will see just the final team because we are maybe part of the final team. So this final team, we pronounce it softly.
Good evening everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today we will discuss an important question. Do schools kill creativity? Why schools are designed to educate and prepare students for future?
Documentaries that tell a story, physical, choreography, and movements.
They double their efforts on drills, memorization, and test preparation.
Enjoy. And somehow, he's like changed it completely.
When the path disappears, because in the end, resilience doesn't just help you overcome obstacles. I'm seen, I'm heard, I'm felt. The truth is powerful. Your love for people, your stubborn, irrational, beautiful belief that things can be better.
Real human connection becomes priceless. That is not the end of human value.
Negative results are just what I want. They are codes available to me as positive results.
Every beautiful song started as a simple idea. Not perfect, not complete, just a spark.
I really try, but it never is enough. What if I fail? What if I stay like this forever?
You won't.
Who are you?
I'm someone you've been waiting for, even if you didn't know it.